Hello guys, this is LOJAY and I'm here to face the fans on MX24. I make music for myself, but I guess what I always talk about is relatable, so the fans can always relate to it as well. Or people that listen to my music can also relate to it as well. First song I heard that made me want to get into music, I honestly can't remember the first song, but I know I had like a lot of songs like when I was younger that made me feel like, yeah, I want to be a musician, definitely. Inspired my music career, the fact that it was something I knew how to do well, and the fact that it was something I knew I could use to create a lasting legacy for myself. Biggest sacrifice I've made in my career, I've not had to make any like major sacrifices, thank God. It's divine, everything in my life right now is just divine movements. So, nothing crazy. The moment I would call the turning point in my career was probably the beginning of the pandemic. It was a period that just made me understand that life is very short and you can't just take your time. And it switched my brain to just like go like super hard in my music. And also it was the period I met SARS as well, so yeah, it was a big turning point for me. Something you've never heard about the making of Monalisa. I did the second verse twice. I did one version of the second verse that was nice, but like it was just nice, and I wanted it to be amazing. So I did another verse, and the second verse was amazing. I was blown away by how far it's actually come. The fact that it came out in like middle of the year and now we're at the end of the year and it's still like one of the hottest songs out there. Yeah, I don't think I anticipated that exactly, but yeah. In my head I can dance, but when it comes to like transferring the dance move from my head to my body, it takes time to like adapt. But like I've not really been on any of the dance moves that has been for Monalisa so far, just cause singing is more my thing, maybe. But I'm learning and I will learn how to dance, and when I learn how to dance it's over for everybody because I'm going to keep dancing for no reason. Collaboration with Wizkid came out through SARS actually. He was the main factor in like putting that together because he played with some music, some of which was the music we're working on at the time, including Love and Attention. And Wiz was excited, invited him into the studio. We recorded a couple songs and then he worked on Love and Attention later, like in his own space, in his own time, and sent me the verse, and it was amazing. Big names in the industry, yes, like a lot actually, and it's been surreal because like these are people that like I look up to and have looked up to, and now to just be able to like have songs with them, or like having the potential of having songs with them, is amazing. It's a crazy feeling. what has changed most since being a public figure, I am a lot more aware of like the things I do, especially when I'm like when I'm put in a position to make someone's day better, for example. I'm quite aware of that now. Why Ghana is the third destination? Because Ghana, because Ghana is amazing. I love Accra, I love the city of Accra. I love Ghana. The vibe is pure. Everyone here is amazing. People are nice. The food is good. So yeah, Ghana. Why not? I've not had any of the local food yet, just because I've only been in Ghana for a day. I have had like food at the restaurant though, and I must say I haven't had anything that was bad yet. But I've had only good food in Ghana so far. It's been calm. Ghana is a vibe. Ghana is like it's the ultimate vibe. Like, I don't know if I have any Nigerians watching this, but to Nigerians, I will tell you that Ghana is a perfect mix of Abuja and Lagos in Nigeria, which are like the two big cities in Nigeria. And Ghana is just a perfect blend of both of them. Or rather, Accra is a perfect blend of both of them. And it's been an amazing experience so far. Artists in Ghana that have caught my attention, there's a lot actually. Some of whom I'm speaking to, but that's not why I'm going to call their names. But you have people like Gyakie, you have people like Kiddy, J Stoneboy, Shatawali always has everybody's attention, don't worry. But yeah, there's a lot of artists in Ghana that are like doing big things. Kwesi Arthur as well, he's a vibe, I really enjoy his music, so yeah. What do I want to do in Ghana before I leave? Maybe like extend my stay. That's probably like the best thing I can say right now, because I honestly don't want to leave yet, because I just love this place. But you know, we'll come back. When we come back, we'll come back big, shut it down, stay here for longer, we'll have fun, yeah. Where would I like to have my biggest concert? Anywhere in the world that can hold 100,000 people is where I would like to have my biggest concert. Yeah, because I've always dreamt of having a concert that had like 100,000 people in it, maybe like a stadium that would just be like choked out, like, and it would be fun. And I hope for that to be in a new location, probably somewhere that Afrobeat hasn't really like touched properly yet, maybe like Japan or something, and like just have like 100,000 people in a stadium in Japan singing Majo Monalisa. That would be a vibe. Top 5 African artists of all time. I have a couple actually. There's Wizkid, there is Techno, there is Lagbaja, there is Salif Keita, and finally, who would I give the final spot to? LOJAY. Top 5, perfect top 5. How different is the Ghanaian industry from Nigeria? I haven't been in Ghana long enough to really like fully understand what the Ghanaian industry is like. So I can't really point out like a lot of differences, like the detailed differences. But I can say for a fact that the entertainment scene out here is growing like very fast, and there's a lot of like talented people out here. and that's what I'm going to say on that. Like, but in terms of the difference, I'm not well versed in what's really going on ground in Ghana for me to like see, which is part of why, you know, we'll come back and just, you know, see the vibe, understand the culture, and like acclimatize with it. In my opinion, the best musician of all time is Michael Jackson, because he can do everything, basically. Something that people don't know about me, I draw. I don't think I've said that on live Ghanaian TV before. But yeah, in my spare time, I like to create cartoon characters and just like imagine what they would probably be like if they were alive, or at least in 3D, who knows. But yeah. Oh baby, follow my commanding like zombie. Hey guys, this is LOJAY and I just faced the fans on MX24.